Want to know how to yield best results from your prompts? Then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know about prompt engineering, and I'll show you 3 prompt engineering secrets that will be very useful. Greetings, my name is Oleksandr Mykyta and I'm studying computer science at university and using AI on daily basis. That's why prompt engineering skill is very useful for me, and now I want to share it with you. So let's jump to prompting. A prompt is the input you give to AI to get some response. It can be a question, a command or a description that will guide AI on what to do. For example, if you type, write a short script for that video, that's a prompt. Basically, there are 2 types of prompts, short and detailed. Don't worry, we'll cover the difference between them soon, but for now let's start with more general prompting rules. Each good prompt contains role, task, context and examples. So to build very powerful prompt, the first step is defining a role for your AI. Instead of asking generic questions, we specify who our AI should act as. It increases depth and accuracy of answers. Everyone knows about tasks, but advanced users are usually specifying format, style and length of output they're expecting. Context makes your prompt 10 times stronger. The more detail you give, the better AI understands your intent. And no, feelings aren't the context, but typing something like "this task is very important for me" may increase accuracy of responses. One of the best hacks? Show AI what you want. It adapts its response accordingly. Now you have general theory, but what about 2 fundamental types of prompts I've mentioned earlier? Short prompts are used more frequently than detailed ones, and focusing only on the most important information. Best practice is to use structure, role, context, task, examples. Notice context comes after task? That's intentional. If we'll place context after task, response of AI may be less accurate. If your first response isn't perfect, send a follow-up prompt. LLMs allow iterative refinement, so if your first shot isn't right, take another. Detailed prompts pack a lot of information, but they also introduce some challenges. Consecutive prompts are harder to use when prompt is long, and also LLMs struggle to retain some details when prompt is longer. As you can see on the graph, AI mostly remembers about beginning and very ending of the prompt. To optimize long prompts, use this order: role, task, context, examples and reminders. Since context is less critical than the task itself, it comes later in the order. Reminders are sentences used to refresh AI's memory about very important details. Despite downsides, detailed prompt is best solution when one-shot instruction is required. They work best with GPTs or other tools. Expect well-structured single input. So when to use long versus short prompts? When you need quick adaptability, go short. When task requires depth and accuracy in one go, go long. Now it's time for secret tips. Secret tip number 1. If you want to get more good examples of prompts or just don't want to write it by yourself, you're free to ask GPT to write prompt for you. It's 100% capable of writing prompts for itself. Secret tip number 2. If you have a lot of repetitive work that slightly differs from day to day, I recommend you to use OpenAI GPTs to handle your repetitive tasks. If you don't know what GPTs are, I have a video linked in the description about them. Secret tip number 3 is ChatGPT customization. It's like having specific context about you that will be sent in every new prompt you've sent. Congratulations, you just mastered prompt engineering. If you want to learn more about AI, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI adventures. See you guys!